Okay, so let's go through Avats first. So we are gonna see how to fill this Irish short-term tourist visa application form online. Okay, continue. So the details are that you should definitely read and understand and acknowledge. Now I'm putting all the information sample you need to do as per your own case. India is selected. What is the reason for travel? So let's say you are going for visit tourist. So short states C is selected. How many uh, journey type? Okay, I select single on one occasion. Okay, with entry type, purpose of travel, provide in details. Okay, as per your case. Passport type, alien, diplomatic, government, integrated, recognized, national passport. I just select national passport. And national passports are the normal passport issued to most citizens. Okay, passport number, do it as per your own case. Propose dates you wish to enter and exit. Now, remember the processing time and other things like the number of days you are allowed to stay. Okay, surname or name, I'll just say John. Date of birth, again as per your own case. Uh, that's quite inconvenient, but no problem. I can do it like this, but make sure it matches with your passport. Gender, country of birth, current location. This is very important. Current address, of course, you know your address. Contact phone, in email. Provide proper email. Don't do like this. Save and continue. Length of residence in present country. Let's say you have stayed there for 25 years. Do you have permission to return to that country after you stay in Ireland? Yes. Are you exempt from the requirement to provide biometrics? I say no. Have you applied for an Irish visa before? I select no. And if you have done, definitely say yes. I mean, answer as per your case. Have you ever been issued with an Irish visa clearance before? I said no. Okay. Have you ever been refused an Irish visa clearance? I said no. Have you ever been in Ireland before? I select no. Do you have family members living in Ireland? I select no. Have you ever been refused permission to enter Ireland before? I select no. Have you ever been notified of deportation order to leave Ireland? I select no. Have you ever been refused a visa to another country? I select no. Have you ever been refused, deported, or arrested? I select no. Have you any criminal conviction in any country? I select no. Save and continue. Okay. Is showing authority, country, or organization. Okay. Issue date and expiry date. Uh, is this your first passport? If I select no, it will ask for previous passport too. But I'm assuming it's yes. Do it as per your own case. If you have previous, don't need to hide that. Are you currently employed in your country of residence? I select yes. Employer, Number of years, let's say 3 years you have been working there. Position and 1 month. Yeah, why not? Position, I just say IT consultant. What is your work address? Of course, you know your work address, your office location, right? Who doesn't? And provide all this information that you have. Are you currently a student in your country of residence? I select no. Okay. Will you be traveling with any other person? For example, business colleague, family member? I select no. But if yes, definitely provide information. Contact host in Ireland. Okay, if you are applying for some visa to come to Ireland, less than any, we need to know where you'll be staying. It could be hotel, hostel. Okay. Is the contact on Ireland known to you? I select no. Provide the address. Like if you have already booked hotel, you know the address, right? Or Airbnb or whatever you have booked. Provide correct information. Personal status, I select single. Children details, how many dependent children you have? Select zero. Mhm. You have assistance in completing this application. I select no. Declaration. So here you have the details too. Okay. After you accept the declaration go, you can take a printout and sign. Okay. And that we need to take to VFS. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So now we'll go to VFS side for the next steps.